Let's see few cases which relate to salient features of the Indian Constitution and schedules. There are 12 schedules. So previous year questions 2017, the which one of the following not federal features of the Indian federalism. So there are independent judiciary system in India. This is not federal feature, and power to have the clearly divided between the central and state. This is not. The federation union have been the given unequal representation in the Lok Sabha. This is not. And the answer is it is the result of agreement among the federating units, which means that Indian Constitution under Article 1st and first schedule clearly mention about that Indian type of federal system. That is, it is agreement among the federal units, which means that agreements among the union. It is not agreement by the states. So keep remember that the democracy superior virtue lies in the fact that it is called into activity. So the best answer for this democracy is superior virtue. So intellectual and character of ordinary men and women. This is remember that in the democracy everybody have the independency. So that is ordinary men and women. Everybody have the intellectual and character of them. So next question, which one of the following schedule of the Indian Constitution contain the provisions regarding the anti-defection? Anti-defection under that ninth schedule. Anti-defection is 10th, sorry. The schedule. The schedule. So here is mentioned over. The answer is that 10th schedule. Second schedule, salaries and allowances. And fifth schedule is related to tribal areas and scheduled tribes. And eighth schedule related to 22 languages. The next question, provision of the fifth schedule and sixth schedule. 5, 6. 5, 6 both are related to scheduled tribe, tribal area, scheduled tribe and scheduled tribe, tribal area. So these two are interest of in order to protect the interest of scheduled tribes. Remember that other option is not at all related to scheduled tribe. We can easily find out that. The next question, consider the following statement. So Parliament of India can place particular law in ninth schedule in the Constitution of India. So this is correct because in the ninth schedule which related to the land reform and Jamindari system is abolished. And second option, validity of the law planned ninth schedule cannot be examined by any court. This is wrong. So Supreme Court and High Courts, they can question, they can review about that judicial review on the any particular act amendment which is made by the government of India or government of states. So only first option is correct one. And the next question, under the which schedule of Indian Constitution can transfer of tribal land to private parties? So for the mining and declaration null and void. Fifth schedule, this is can transfer the tribal land to private parties for the mining and declaration null and void. So this is important which relate to any tribal area related that schedules is only available fifth and sixth schedule. Sixth schedule only deal with the ATTM. So Assam, Tripura, ATMM, Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Third schedule which deals with the oath. Ninth schedule which deals with the land reform and Jamindari system abolition. 12th schedule is deals with the municipalities. The next question, 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership. 9th schedule added during the time of Jawaharlal Nehru. Not all this. So Indira Gandhi time period, 42nd Constitutional Amendment added to the Constitution in the original Constitution. This is also known as the mini Constitution. This is happened during the Indira Gandhi period. Remember that. So which schedule of the Indian Constitution contain the special provisions for the administration and control of the schedule? When it comes to schedule, When it comes to schedule areas, it is fifth schedule and sixth schedule. Keep remember that every 2 years there is one or two questions is coming from the fifth schedule or sixth schedule. So keep in mind, remember that what are the articles which related to fifth schedule to sixth schedule, what are the special provisions, what are the special privileges, what are the special powers they have, what are the government control to these particular areas, state government or central government or president or district collectors in the local areas. So keep remember all those. The third schedule again oath and affirmation. Seventh schedule is deal with the distribution of the powers between the center and state. And the ninth schedule is dealing with the land reform and the abolition of the Jamindar system. And next question, particular area brought under the fifth schedule of the Constitution of India. Which one of the following statement reflect the consequences? It would prevent the transfer of the land of the tribal people to non-tribal people. This is the best solution for this fifth schedule area. So it would prevent the transfer of land of tribal people to non-tribal people. So it create the local self-government body, not correct. It would convert the area into the union territory, not correct. State having the such areas would declare the special category, it is not correct. So which one of the following statement correctly described fourth schedule? Fourth schedule which relate to the allocation of seats. And list of the distribution of powers and this one is seventh schedule. To contain the languages, this is eighth schedule. Allocation of seats, this is the fourth schedule. The next question. DPSP is borrowed from Ireland. Fundamental rights is borrowed from USA. Concurrent list in the union state relation, it is borrowed from Australia. And the India's union of states, which is greater power union, central union, strong central, is borrowed from the Canada. So next, which referring to the Constitution of India, which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Forest concurrent list, that is right. So 42nd constitutional amendment, it is earlier it was the forest was the state list, but it is moved to the concurrent list under the 42nd constitutional amendment act. Stock exchange, it is not concurrent list, it is union list. So post office union list, that is correct. Public health state list, that is correct. So stock market is not correct because it is not under the concurrent list, it is under the union list. So next one, to match the followings. 69th Constitutional Amendment Act. 69th Constitutional Amendment Act deals with the territory to the Delhi. So according to the status territory of Delhi. And the 75th Constitutional Amendment Act, it is dealing with the establishment of the state level rental tribals. 75 deal with the tribals. And the 80th is deal with the acceptance recommendation of the 10th Finance Commission. 10th Finance Commission, 80 Constitutional Amendment Act, 10th Finance Commission. And 83rd Constitutional Amendment Act, it is deal with the no reservation for the scheduled caste in Panchayat, Arunachal Pradesh. 83rd Constitutional Amendment Act, it is remove the reservation for the SC in Panchayat elections, local body. So last question which relate to previous year question paper for this Constitutional Amendment Act, salient features. So union list, 7th schedule. So what are the things it comes under the union list in the 7th schedule? So regulation and labor and safety of the mines, oil field, these are comes under the union list. Agriculture is in the state list, fisheries in the state list, public health is in the state list. I guess fisheries in the concurrent list. Check it once again. Agriculture, public health, these are all the state list. So thank you. These are all the previous year questions which relate to fundamental rights. Okay, then. Thank you.